One of the Cybertruck owner reported that the driver's side trim is getting peeled off due to extreme cold temperature in New York. The adhesive is just coming off the panel, due to the salt that is accumulated inside the trim. So the entire side trim is coming apart and needs a fix, as it's not able to withstand the super cold 6-degree weather and all the salt in it. Multiple owners have reported this issue of side trim peeling off due to adhesive not strong enough. The trim should have been bolted some way, rather than sticking it with adhesive. The adhesive tends to lose its strength over time, due to salt and extreme weather conditions. The owner confirmed that he will need to visit the service center to fix the panel before it blows off during driving. Tesla needs to fix this at the bottom, as this is not expected from a 100K truck.